ओम येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोधि प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंवृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्षवेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। उपदेश साहस्री तत्वमसि प्रकरणम फ्रॉम श्लोक नंबर 75 up to shloka 90. New topic has been started, and that is about the doubts and their resolution regarding Chidabhasa, reflected consciousness. चिदाभास विषये शंका परिहारौ, शंका एंड परिहार, शंका समाधान. In this, in the 75 shloka, it was said, न अध्य, second line, first line said, अध्यक्षस्य समीपे तु सिद्धिः स्यात् इति चेन्मतं, मतं चेत् न अध्यक्षे अनुपकारित्वात्. In अध्यक्ष means sakshi. If you take अध्यक्ष as sakshi, nothing is added. There is no modification possible in sakshi because it is nirvikara. So अध्यक्षे अनुपकारित्वात्. अन्यत्रापि प्रसंगतः. In टीका अन्यत्रापि प्रसंगतः, you see the fourth line of the टीका, page 272. प्रथमं दूषयति अन्यत्रापि इति. साक्षिणः पूर्णतया सर्वत्र सदा सान्निध्या विशेषात् काष्ठलोष्ठादीनाम् अपि सिद्धि प्रसंगात् इत्यर्थः. Sakshi is all pervading. So this is the khandanam of avachedavada. This is presenting khandanam of avachedavada. How? Sakshi is all pervading. If you say, let's say Akasha, there is Ghatavachinna Akasha. Yes?
Yes, Swami.
There is Mathavachinna Akasha. There is Karakavachinna Akasha. Akasha can be avachinna by any vishaya. In the same way, Sakshi Chaitanya is also all pervading. So that also can be avachinna by anything. Ghata, Pata, Manushya, any object you take in the world. Sakshi, avachinna Sakshi is available. And we do such Shabda Vyavahara also. But if we say Chaitanya Pratibimba is available only in Antakarana. In Ghata, Chaitanya Pratibimba is not available. In Pata, Chaitanya Pratibimba is not available. Chaitanya Pratibimba is only in Antakarana. So, what Purvapakshi said that this Chaitanya, first one Vikalpa is Chaitanya getting Upakara from something else. So in Chaitanya, Upakara is not possible because Chaitanya is Avikari. Chaitanya doing Upakara in something else. So Siddhanti is saying Chaitanya is unquestionably, equally, it is available to all. So if you say Chaitanya is blessing everything that is around, like how we say it is avachinna by Chaitanya, then everything is avachinna by Chaitanya. Then kashtha, loshta, etc. also, they will also be upakari. Kashtha, loshtadinam api siddhi prasangat. Siddhi means they also will be able to have a vritti, pratyaya. Because Chaitanya is equally available to them also. Just as Chaitanya is antakarana avachinna, Chaitanya is also kashtha, loshta, avachinna. So if you say antakarana avachinna Chaitanya is able to have jnanakara vritti. Say kashtha, loshta, avachinna Chaitanya also can have jnanakara vritti. What is the bheda? So what will Siddhanti say?
Antakarana is swachha, apanchikrita sattva aspect.
But Sakshi is equally available to all, right? So if Sakshi, if you say it is only avachinna Chaitanya is same. If you say there is some difference in Antakarana,
the avachedaka is not capable of reflecting the Chaitanya.
okay.
Sakshi Vritti is there here and Sakshi Vritti is not there in Kasta.
What is there in Antakarana? Sakshi Vritti. If you say there is some difference in Antakarana, in some way Antakarana is superior than the others. Okay. Because of that superiority, what happens in Antakarana? Siddhanti will ask. If you say, because Antakarana is apanchikrita pancha mahabhuta karya, because it is Shuddha, therefore there is some Vishesha in that Antakarana. If this is what Purvapakshi says, Siddhanti says, this is what I am saying. That is what we call Chidabhasa. You have been denying Chidabhasa and you are saying, what is the need of Chidabhasa? You have Chaitanya, you have Ahankara, and you have rest of the world. Just manage with this without Chidabhasa. So Siddhanti is saying, then the way Antakarana is functioning, having Jnana Vritti because of Avachinna Chaitanya, this Kashta Loshta also should have. You see, there is some Vishesha. That Vishesha is called Chidabhasa. What makes the difference is what we say Chaitanya Pratibimba is available in Antakarana, which is not available elsewhere. That Shuddhatva of Antakarana give this ability to Antakarana. Just like in case of mirror and wall. Wall doesn't reflect my face. Mirror does. So, in this way, Sakshi Siddhi is done. What is Siddhanti trying to prove? That you need, not Sakshi, sorry, Chidabhasa. You need Chidabhasa. And Purvapakshi is thinking, why do we need Chidabhasa? We will manage without it. So this is the Bheda. Evam, further now. Abhasa anabhyupagame Bauddhadi mata samya dosha parihara anupapattim swayutyan prati uktva. Evam, in this way, Abhasa anabhyupagame, if you don't accept Chidabhasa, then Bauddhadi mata samya, you will become one with Bauddha. Your mata will become same as Bauddha mata. Bauddhadi mata samya, this is a dosha. And this dosha parihara you will not be able to do. Dosha parihara anupapattim you will have. See, for a Vaidika to say that you will become Bauddha is an insult. In the modern world, people, they love to be called as, I am following some Buddhism, etc., etc. And they will say it is so close to Vedanta. Buddhism is Avaidika. When we say Avaidika means they don't have any ground. Either they have to say we accept Brahma. We call it Shunyam, whatever that is. We call it Buddha. That is, we don't have problem. You call Brahma by some other name. Then you are Vedanta Siddhanta, Advaiti. And you say, no, we are totally different. Then for a Vaidika, he will not accept that somebody calls him, you are a Bauddha. You will become one with Bauddha Mata. So here is a Bauddhadi Mata Samya. It's a dosha. And that parihara you will not be able to do. So the words like Zennyasi, somebody. Why do you want to be called Zennyasi? Why can't you be called Sannyasi? What is wrong in Sannyasi Shabda? Zennyasi. There is no such word. Swayutyan prati uktva. Swayuthya, swapaksha. Some group within one's own paksha, prati uktva. Shastriyo bandha moksha vyavaharopi tesham na siddhyati. And in that mata, Shastriya bandha moksha vyavahara, like this Bauddha mata, the kshanik atma, where is bandhana, where is moksha? Na siddhyati. Iti vaktum vikalpayati. So now he creates vikalpas. Arthi dukhi chayah shrota satvadhyaksho thavetarah adhyakshasya cha dukkitva marthitvam chanate matam. Arthi dukhi chayah shrota satvadhyaksho thavetarah adhyakshasya cha dukkitva marthitvam chanate matam. यह श्रोता अर्थी दुखी च स्यात् सह तु अध्यक्षो अथवा इतरः creates two vikalpas. Shrota means Shrota of Tattvamasi Mahavakya. Adhyakshasya cha dukhitvam arthitvam cha na te matam. So first vikalpa he refutes. What are the vikalpas? Is the Shrota, the one who is going to listen to Mahavakya? Is he arthi, dukhi? Arthi means moksharthi. He is seeking moksha, but he is dukhi right now. Then the question is he Adhyaksha, means Sakshi Atma, or different? Two vikalpas are there. If you say he is Adhyaksha, according to your matam means this is Sankhya mata. See, Siddhanti is talking to Sankhya mata. According to Sankhya Darshan, Atma is Sakshi, Drashta. Atma is not Dukhi. Atma is not Moksharthi. Atma is Sakshi. So, Adhyakshasya Dukhitvam Arthitvam cha na te matam. That is not your matam. That Adhyaksha Sakshi is Dukhi, Arthi, etc. So he refuted Nyaya Vaisheshika and Mimamsakas who think there is Ahankara which is Adhyaksha. And means what they call as Atma is actually Ahankara only. And they don't need separate Sakshi. Where is the question of Chidabhasa for them? They will not be able to accept this Chidabhasa philosophy. And their problem was they will not know the Utpatti Nasha, Janma Nasha of the Vritti, of the Pratyayas. Who will know? There is no Sakshi. Same problem with Vijnanavadi, Bauddha. There is no knower. Then with this Sankhya Mata, he says, okay, let's have Sakshi and let's have Ahankara, but no Chidabhasa. So then, if Sakshi is all-pervading, everything will be able to have a Pratyaya. You need some Vishesha. If that Vishesha is in Antakarana only, that is what is called Chidabhasa. Tika. Yo dukhitvena moksharthittvena cha prasiddho guru upadesha shrota sa eva adhyaksho mataha tato anyo va iti vikalparthaha. The one who is the guru upadesha shrota. How will you do samasa vigraha?
गुरोः उपदेशस्य श्रोता
गुरोः उपदेशः गुरु उपदेश तस्य श्रोता गुरु उपदेश श्रोता स एव अध्यक्ष. So he is arthi, dukhi. Arthi means moksharthi, and therefore he is listening to this Mahavakya. If he is adhyaksha, sa eva adhyaksho mataha or tato anya. Adya, first vikalpa is adhyaksha, is sakshi. Niranugraha adhyakshavadinaha tava apasiddhanta prasangaha iti dushayati. Niranugraha adhyakshavadinaha. Adhyakshavadi, adhyaksham vadati iti adhyakshavadi. So, for them, Niranugraha, there is no anugraha on Sakshi. Means no change happens in Sakshi. Such Adhyaksha, how can if there is no change, how can that Sakshi be Dukhi? How can that Sakshi be Moksharthi? Because there is no Vikara. Niranugraha Adhyakshvadinah Tava Apasiddhanta Prasanga. If you accept Adhyaksha as Dukhi, Arthi, it is against your own Siddhanta. Apasiddhanta Prapti. Iti Dushayati Adhyakshasya. Atma Bhasa Anangikara Vadinas Te Dwar Abhavat Avidya Tatkarya Sambandha Asiddhes Tena Cha Vinarthitwadi Asiddhehe Abhasa Abhyupagama Prasanga Ityartha. Atma Bhasa Anangikara Vadina. This Sankhya, etc. Mata, they don't accept Atma Bhasa. Other matas also don't accept. Some of them are far, so there is no point in discussing. See, when we want to talk about Ajatavada, think of it. If our Pratipadanam is in Ajatavada, and somebody comes and says, oh, I don't know whether there is rebirth or not. I don't know whether Veda is Pramanam or not. Where do you want to start teaching for this person? And how far this person will go? And do you have patience to teach so much to this fellow? So, if our main teaching is Ajatavada, all these basics we expect that he already knows. And he has firm faith, Shraddha. Then we can move forward. Otherwise, how much time we are going to give? So if somebody says, I am not accepting Atma Bhasa, we can discuss. Because lot of things are common. Somebody who says, I don't accept Veda only, then you say, you go home. Atma Bhasa Anangikara Vadinas, they dwar abhavat. For that person, there is no dwar. For what? Tattvamasi Mahavakya Upadesha, and that Upadesha Janya Jnanam, which will remove avidya tatkarya sambandha. Atma Bhasa Anangikara Vadinas te dwar abhavat avidya tatkarya sambandha asiddhe tena cha vina arthitwadi asiddhe. Arthit means moksharthitwadi asiddhe abhasa abhyupagama prasanga ityartha. If you don't accept Chidabhasa, you will have to say, who has avidya and avidya karya sambandha? Jada cannot have avidya. Shuddha Chaitanya cannot have avidya. Earlier itself we saw in this, or we saw in Advaita Siddhi. Avidya cannot cover Jada Vastu. Avidya works, avidya will do avarana only on Chaitanya. In Andhakara, there is no point in creating avarana. Andhakara itself is avarana. Jnana Prakasha needs avarana. So avidya karya is all jada. It will function only on Chaitanya. Shuddha Chaitanya cannot be affected by avidya. Means it will not become karta, bhokta, pramata, etc. It will remain avikari. Therefore, all the problems will happen only in vikari chidabhasa. If you don't accept that, then how dukkhitva, arthitva, all this you can explain without chidabhasa. द्वितीयं दूषयति. Second vikalpa. Second vikalpa is, it is itaraha, that the one who is listening to Mahavakya, who is arthi, dukhi, is different from Sakshi. Kartadhyaksha sadasmiti naiva sadgrahamarhati sadevasiti mityoktihi श्रुतेरपि न युज्यते. कर्ताध्यक्ष सदस्मीति नैव सद्ग्रहमर्हति सदेवासीति मिथ्योक्तिः श्रुतेरपि न युज्यते. कर्ता अध्यक्षः सद अस्मि इति, यो यह कर्ता सः अध्यक्षः सद अस्मि इति नैव सद्ग्रहम् अर्हति. One sentence. सद एव असि इति मिथ्योक्तिः श्रुतेरपि न युज्यते. If you say ahankara different from Atma is Dukhi, is Arthi, Moksharthi. Sadasmi, when Tattvamasi Mahavakya is given, who will hear this Mahavakya? This is one of the common questions people ask. Mahavakya is for whom? Is it for Ahankara or is it for Atma, Chaitanya, Kutastha? What is the answer?
Ahankara.
What is the answer?
Ahankara.
It's neither. It's
Neither for Ahankara nor Sakshi.
Ahankar cannot be Brahma. Ahankar cannot be Aparichinna Brahma. We say Ahankara is not the one who listens to Mahavakya. Okay. Atma doesn't know how to listen. Atma doesn't have Karana. Atma cannot be Shrota. Who will become the Shrota of Mahavakya?
Chidavasa.
So Ahankara by itself cannot hear. Atma by itself cannot hear. So you have to have both together. This shloka talks about. These are some fundamental things that people get confused. If they are thinking it is good, but the answers are given here now. The one who is Karta, he cannot be Adhyaksha. He cannot be Sakshi. And he will not be able to say, I am Sat. Iti naiva sadgraham. Sadgraham means sadjnanam. Naiva arhati. He doesn't deserve this knowledge that I am Sat, because you are not Sat. You are Ahankar, you are Karta, you are Dukhi. And Shruti Upadesha will become Mithya. Sad eva asi means Tattvamasi iti. Sat means Tat. Tat eva asi iti. Shrutehe api mithyoktihi na yujyate. And Shruti's ukti will become Mithya. It doesn't deserve it. Shruti statement should not become like this. So Shruti is saying something valid. So we have to make it valid. Shrotuhu arthino adhyakshasya cha bheda pakshe. Shrota is different. Sakshi is different. Veda paksha. Karta, kartrutwadi dharma ko vikari shrota. Jada varga patitatvad, he is a jada, he is vikari, jada varge patitatvad. Sad aham adhyaksho asmi. I am Sad, I am Sakshi, Adhyaksha. Iti sadgraham सदादि शब्द निर्दिष्ट ब्रह्मात्म ग्रहम न अर्हति तस्मात् विरोधात्, because there is virodha. Ahankara, who is jada varga patita, cannot say I am Sat, I am Brahma. That is not possible. Yadva sad adhyaksho nirvikara atma aham asmi iti sadgraham yathartha bodham na arhati na labhate. He can do upasana. He can be ahankara and he will do upasana. I am nirvikara, I am atma, I am sakshi. It is not yathartha jnana. This is ahangrahopasana, you do it. So that's why some other darshanas, they settle there only. They say, aham brahmasmi is ahangrahopasana. Tattvamasi is ahangrahopasana. Bas. Because they have not accepted that there is some chidabhasa which appears there. So they settle there. And Shruti Bhada Prasangacha ayam paksho na yuktaha. This paksha, if you accept, there will be Shruti Bhada. Shruti will be negated. Shruti will be a liar. Its ukti will become mithya, which is untenable. Chidabhasa anabhyupagama pakshe bandha moksha anupapatyam upapadya swapakshe tadupapatyam. Not only that, if you don't accept Chidabhasa anabhyupagama pakshe, asvikara pakshe, bandha moksha anupapatti, bandha and moksha, you will not be able to explain. Who has bandhana? Atma cannot have bandhana. Jada ahankar cannot have bandhana. Who will have bandhana? If nobody has bandhana, who needs moksha? So Purva Pakshi will say, okay, what about you? He say, we have Chidabhasa. Swapakshe tad upapattim aha. This is beautiful shloka. See how he explains everything. Avivicchyo bhayam vakti shrutischet syad grahastatha asmadastu vivichyaiva tvameveti vadedyadi प्रत्ययान वै निष्ठत्व मुक्तदोषः प्रसज्यते अविविच्यो भयं वक्ति श्रुतिश्चेत् स्यात् ग्रहस्तथा अस्मदस्तु विविच्यैव त्वमेवेति वदेद्यदि प्रत्ययान वै निष्ठत्व मुक्तदोषः प्रसज्यते. Avivicchya ubhayam. Ubhayam means Atma and Ahankar, unseparated when they are together. Avivicchya ubhayam. Chet syat. Shrutihi vakti chet syat. Tatha graha sambhavet. Shrutihi avivicchya ubhayam vakti. Shruti is talking about these two unseparated, Atma and Ahankara. You see, arrangement is wonderful. Then Graha, Jnanam is possible. Why? Because both are together. Ahankar with Chidabhasa will do Shravanam. Only Ahankar cannot do Shravanam. Only Atma cannot do Shravanam. Ahankar with Chidabhasa will do Shravanam. He is Dukhi, he is Moksharthi. When the Upadesha is given, Sadasi, you are Sat. Atma will be the Lakshyartha of that. So Atma will say, yes, I am that. Atma will say means, I will understand. The Upadesha says, I am Atma, this Atma is Brahma. So you need both together while listening. Shravanam primarily will be done by Ahankara with Chidabhasa. Meaning will be understood in Atma. You see how the arrangement is? This is genius of Chidabhasa, that Bhagavan Bhashyakara, how he makes everything possible. Shrutahani is not there, and all Tattvamasi Mahavakya, who will be Shrota, everything works out. No problem is none of these other darshanas have this Chidabhasa idea. So when it comes to these discussions, they all will unite. They will oppose Advaita. When it comes to Jagan Mithya, they all will unite. They will oppose. Murkha. Asmadastu. Asmad means asmadaha. Asmadaha means atmanaha. Asmadaha tu vivichaiva tvam eva iti vaded yadi. Asmadaha atmanaha vivichya. Separate the atma and tattvamasi upadesha is applied or directed towards atma. But the one who is going to hear is the Shrota Ahankara. Pratyanvai nishthatvam uktadoshaha prasajyate. If Ahankara separated from Atma Ahankara together, if Atma listens to the Upadesha, wonderful. If Ahankara listens to the Upadesha and says, I am Brahma, again Uktadosha prasajyate. Pratyaya Anvai Nishtha is Ahankara. So Yadi Shrutihi Asmadaha from Atma Pratyanvai Nishtha Ahankara. That is Tattvamasi. If to that Upadesha is given, then Uktadosha again will be there. Ubhayam Atmanam Ahankaram cha Dvayam Abhasadvarena Vivekapannam Avivichya. Not separating the two. By Abhasa, they are connected with each other. Viviktam akritva. Avivichya, without doing viveka, means without separating. Yatha praptam arthitvadi upadaya. Arthitva moksharthitvadi upadaya. Shrotritvena sthitam prati. The one who is Shrota, Shrotritvena sthitam prati. Tattvamasi iti shrutirvakti atma tattvam iti. Chet. Unseparated when they are, and Shruti says Tattvamasi Upadesha, tada tatha yatha Shruti uktasya graho grahanam syat iti yojana. Then, as Shruti says, grahanam will happen, Atma will be indicated, understood. They are not separated, they are together. That is called adhyasa. Ayam abhiprayaha. अंतःकरणादौ चिदाभास उदये अपि तद्गत विकार अध्यासात् अविविक्त अहंकार आत्मार्थित्वादि संपन्नो मुमुक्षुतां प्रतिपद्यते. अंतःकरणादौ चिदाभास उदये अपि सति. In अंतःकरण चिदाभास उदय takes place. चिदाभास उदये सति अपि तद्गत विकार अध्यासात् अविविक्त अहंकार. Tadgata vikara adhyasa, from that adhyasad ahankara is not separated. Vikara adhyasad avivikta ahankara atma arthitvadi sampanna. So that atma which is not separated from this vikari ahankara, their arthitva etc. is there. Mumukshutam pratipadyate. He becomes mumukshu. तन तथैव अविवेकावस्थम त्वम इति अनुद्य आभास द्वारा साभास अंतःकरण साक्षितया लक्ष्ययित्वा. Now this aviveकावस्थम त्वम पद, which is there is no viveka, means त्वम पदार्थ शोधनम has not happened. Anudya abhasa dwara, so to that the teaching is given, and through abhasa dwara sabhasa antakarana sakshitaya lakshayitva. Laksh is indicated that you are the sakshi of the sabhasa antakarana. Lakshayitva. Then तेजो बन्नादि जगत कारणत्वेन उपलक्षितम सच्छब्द वाच्यम. तेजो बन्न सृष्टि, छांदोग्य 6th chapter. तेजो बन्नादि जगत कारण स ईक्षत. तेजो बन्न सृष्टि was created. तद उपलक्षितम सच्छब्द वाच्यम. उपलक्षण is सच्छब्द वाच्य ब्रह्म. तद, that is tat pada. Tattvamasi, tat is that सच्छब्द वाच्यम ब्रह्म. इति अनुद्य अनेन जीवेन आत्मना अनुप्रविश्य नाम रूप व्याकरवाणी. जीवेन आत्मना नाम रूप संघात अनुप्रविष्टत्वेन. जीवेन आत्मना नाम रूप संघात अनुप्रविष्टत्वेन अपरोक्ष प्रत्यक्तया. अपरोक्ष प्रत्यक means as अपरोक्ष लक्षयित्वा, that is लक्ष्यार्थ. त्वम तदसि इति श्रुति ही उपदिशति. Then Shruti gives upadesha, you are that. You are that. Tejo banna srishti karana. You are the one who has entered as anena jivena atmana anupravishya. You who are complaining about everybody on this earth. You are the karana. You are the karanam for all complaints. And you are the jagat karana. You are everything. Why? So I want to remain finite. Then I have this problem, that problem. Problems will never go. A body, they will move to mind. Mind, they will move to body. Then again mind. Something will keep happening. Shruti upadeshati atmatattvam iti taya grahanam upapadyate iti. So in this way, Atma Tattva Upadesha Grahanam is possible as Lakshyartha of this Sabhasa Ahankara. Sakshi is pointed out, is it understood? Ahankara eva Shrota. On the other hand, if you separate the two and you say this Ahankara Shrota is Atma or is Adhyaksha, is the Lakshyartha of Tattvamasi, Ahankara is not. Ahankara eva Shrota Syat. किम आत्माभास्य अभ्युपगमेन इति सांख्य मतम अनुद्य दूषयति. अहंकार के विल बी श्रोता. व्हाई डू यू नीड आभास? दूषयति अस्मद अस्तु इति. अस्मदः तु इति. अस्मदः प्रत्ययान्वय अहंकार यदि वाक्यम अस्मदः प्रत्यक चैतन्यात् अहंकारम विविच्यैव. he separates ahankara from atma and then he says this ahankara is tat, is Brahma. Vichaiva tvam eva iti pratyanvai nishthatvam vadet tada. Then ukto dosha shrutehi mithya uktitva prasanga rupaha prasajyata ityartha. Then problem will come that Shruti will be mithya because what is ahankara is not Brahma and you say ahankara is Brahma as mukhya artha. Pada samanadikaranya it is. Ahankara is Brahma. But the one who is listening will not understand ahankara is Brahma as pada samanadikaranya. Will understand as mukhya samanadikaranya. So that is incorrect. This prasanga will happen. Tarhi ahankartru vishayo api upadesho adhyakshe paryavasyati. इति आशंक्य आभासानभ्युपगमे तदपि दुर्घटम इत्याह. We'll see this in the next session. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।